Let's make some cinnamon rolls from scratch.
Disclaimer, this milk is not old. This is vinegar and soy milk mixed in together. When you mix that with butter, it creates your own vegan buttermilk. My binder for this recipe is Bob Mills vegan egg replacement. Lastly, I added some sugar and some instant dry yeast to get this dough. Once it is all in a ball, we are going to place that back into the bowl that we mixed our ingredients in. Oil the top of your dough and cover with a wet cloth and let it sit in a warm place for about 30 minutes to an hour. While that's rising, we are going to mix brown sugar, cinnamon, and half a cup of butter until it's nice and creamy. This is going to be the filling for your dough. On a clean floured surface, begin to roll out your dough. Now I'm going to add vanilla flavoring all over the dough along with our brown sugar and cinnamon mixture. I'm going to spread that as evenly as I can and then roll it all the way up. Using some unflavored floss, I am going to cut my cinnamon rolls and place them in a cast iron skillet. Bake for 15 on 400 degrees. And I'm going to top it off with my homemade vegan cream cheese frosting. If you would like to see how I made it, make sure you stay tuned for part 2. I'm Brittany, and thanks for watching K So Plant Based.